Welcome to the treble crochet stitch, one of the most common stitches. It is a fairly solid but not stiff fabric. Moving in for a closer look, you can see that the individual stitches are easy to identify and count. I have circled one stitch in red for you. In a written pattern, the stitch appears as PR. Sometimes it will have a number in front of it to show how many of the stitches to complete. In a charted pattern, this stitch's symbol is usually an elongated T with a dash. But always check your pattern's chart to make sure. Now let's learn the stitch. Yarn over your hook and insert it into the stitch. Yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over and pull through two of the stitches on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining two stitches. Let's do that again. Yarn over your hook and insert it into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over and pull through two stitches. Yarn over again and pull through the last two stitches. This stitch can require a turning chain of 3. However, when using a thicker yarn, you may wish to bring that down to 2, as it prevents a bulging side.